Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2019 Kubota BX2680 subcompact tractor, loader, belly mower package. This tractor is the largest of the BX series as far as horsepower. So a 2380, 2680, truthfully the same tractor. One is going to have a D902 engine in it. These have a D1005. 24.8 horsepower in these. A lot of guys say they're 26. That's gross engine horsepower. Very good subcompact tractors, 869 hours, and this tractor is truthfully a very clean tractor. R4 tires, LA 344 Swift Hatch loader on it. It is going to have an RCK 5423BX belly mower deck under it. We're going to take and walk you around this tractor and show you everything about it, as we normally do here. Up front, we're going to go ahead and fold the grill guard out. We will go ahead and release the hood latch. We have done a complete and full service on this tractor. All filters and oils have been changed. That is what Mark Supply Company does here. We've marked our filters so you know that we've done it. Again, it is going to have everything done with OEM factory Kubota filters and oils. There's no smoke, noise, blow-by, anything of that nature with this tractor whatsoever. Hood's in nice shape. It's not beat up, smashed in. There's one little scuff right there. Grill guard's in nice shape. Again, it's going to have the LA 344 Swift Hatch loader, 48-inch bucket with bolt-on cutting edge. R4 tires are in excellent condition, approximately 85%. Again, it is a 54-inch belly mower deck. We have had the deck off and went over it. Gearbox oil has been changed going through. Category 1 3-point hitch. Factory top link is with this tractor. 540 PTO. You can see there's all in nice shape. Coming up here to this side discharge is in beautiful shape, and there is actually brand new mower blades on this deck also. I'm going to start you over here. Braden will head on that side. I'm going to come over here and show you. You're going to have your PTO for mid and rear, or just rear. Up here you're going to have a little cubby hole, cigarette lighter plug, and then you have your cup holder. This does have the very nice suspension seat on it. This is also going to have over here your up and down for your belly mower and your rear 3-point hitch. You will have your deck height adjustment knob down here, and that is adjustable in increments of 1/4 inch. Joystick loader control, high-low range, full drive in and out. We'll show you right here on the dash cluster. You will have your fuel gauge, your hour meter, tachometer, and water temperature. And on an 80 series, you will have your tilt steering wheel. Here you're going to have your 4-ways, headlights, turn signal, selector switches, and then you will have your cruise control as stated. Okay, guys, I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, so it does everything it is supposed to do, and cover that stuff with you. Here we go. So we do a lot of little BX tractors. We really like these tractors. In the subcompact, as far as I'm concerned, I think they're probably one of the best tractors out there. They hold a great resale market value, full drive out. One big thing I will always say with the Kubota, parts easily and readily available. Ease of service is amazing, and let's face it, Kubota dealers themselves generally are great guys to deal with, and because their truthful main focus is the small compact operator that's looking for this size of tractor, unlike a lot of other brands, I'm not knocking them, what they do in a compact lineup is truthfully not their main business focus, okay? Where I will give Kubota credit, they do honestly have dealers who truthfully are focused on the residential, light commercial operators. So that's a big thing out there today, so that you can get good parts service. And also they have a great product. They truthfully do. I truthfully love these little 80 Series tractors, and then BX itself in general. What a great user-friendly tractor. I'm a bigger guy, and I mean, I fit on here great, and you still feel very comfortable on this tractor. The way the controls are oriented, I do believe the term that they use is ergonomics, are very good on the tractor. It is comfortable for the operator. You can visually see your bucket very nice, which is all great things when it comes down to it, okay? So let's show you here on the mower. We'll go ahead and throw that in. The mower deck's nice and smooth, which is what we're after. That's what we want it to be, okay? Again, this is a 2680. So this is going to be your highest horsepower that they build in the subcompact line of the BX. Current production in this tractor is built new every day. To put a tractor like this in this one's place, you are in that neighborhood of $23,000 bucks, maybe a touch more right now. Again, very expensive little tractor, but a very good little tractor, okay? So we got headlights, we got four ways, we got turn signals, everything there works. We have tilt steering wheel. Guys, very, very nice tractor. So a couple common questions. We have a lot of people will, email us or call and say, hey, I want to buy this tractor, but I want to put a backhoe on it. So if you are looking, and I do really admire Kubota for what they do in this instance, if you want a BX series subcompact and you want it to have tractor loader backhoe, then you need to look at its brother over here, the BX23S, or like a BX25. So what Kubota truthfully did, and again, I admire them for doing it, they make their tractor in two different configurations. One is this configuration. So you have your BX2380, BX2680, and that tractor is only ever configured in a tractor, tractor loader belly mower package with your category 1 3-point hitch. Now, if you do truthfully want a backhoe attachment, at that point then, you need to start looking at the 23S or BX25. And that reason behind that is they build the back frame different at the transmission housing and whatnot for the backhoe attachment to be a subframe style mount. Where a lot of your other tractors that are built, they're doing an add-on kit. I don't say that there's anything wrong with that, but here's my honest opinion. When you start adding that stuff on that wasn't supposed to be there in the start, there is issues with that. They're over the course of time. Where Kubota is making their tractor truthfully married to that from factory. It's not something, it's an afterthought, and that's a lot of things there to really study when you look at the longevity of a backhoe attachment on a compact or subcompact tractor. So that's the big differences there. If anybody has any questions, let me know on this tractor. We'll be glad to help you. We do a lot of these, very familiar with this product. Again, these are a very reliable tractor, very reliable power unit. You have to understand that these power units are in these tractors, such as even the 23S setting back here, which we're going to do a video next on. The D902, the D1005 engine has been put in generator systems forever, okay, since they started producing that engine. Keep in mind, this is a non-emissions engine, so that still rolls coal, as the young kids say. That unit, or those engines, I should say, how I should word this, have been known to have been logged 4,000 and 5,000 hours with normal service. So there again, they have a lot of longevity. I've owned some BXs that have 2,000 and 3,000 hours on them and still run strong and use no oil. So guys, there's things you got to sit and really ponder. There's a tractor today that'll last a guy the next 10 years without any questions if he takes care of it. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Remember, I take the time out of my day to do this for you, the customer, because I'm not hiding anything. There's a lot of guys that will not take this time to do what I do because, truthfully, they are hiding something. That's my take on it. I hope you guys enjoy our videos. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. You guys all have a great day.